Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm LAIDLEY with your Business Bites. More accountability coming soon. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel CLARKE announces plans to fix backlog of audited reports from public bodies.
It's not a project that will take a month. It will take 3 years to cover the backlog on the Auditor General portion of it. The backlog has been with us for some time, and the only way out of it is to projectize it.
Still competitive, BOJ Deputy Governor defends the value of the Jamaican dollar.
Our view now is that we think it is fairly valued now. So we're not that much concerned. We think we can allow the exchange rate to reflect market fundamentals. But what's important is that in real terms, not just the nominal exchange rate movement, but in real terms, it is competitive.
Jamaica's trade deficit shrinking, but domestic production continues to be weak.
For the first quarter of 2021, Jamaica's total spending on imports and its earnings from exports declined relative to the similar period in 2020.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm LAIDLEY.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.